Here are 10 home remedies that can help manage diarrhea. 1. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of fluids like water, clear broths, and oral rehydration solutions to prevent dehydration. 2. Brat diet. This diet includes bananas, rice, applesauce, and toast. These bland foods can help firm up stools and soothe the digestive system. 3. Probiotics. Foods rich in probiotics, such as yogurt, can help restore the balance of good bacteria in your gut. 4. Avoid irritating foods. Stay away from fatty, spicy, and dairy foods, as well as caffeine and alcohol, which can worsen diarrhea. 5. Ginger. Ginger tea or ginger ale without caffeine can help calm your stomach and reduce symptoms. 6. Chamomile tea. This herbal tea can help reduce inflammation and relax the digestive muscles. 7. Apple cider vinegar. A small amount mixed with water can help balance stomach pH and alleviate symptoms. 8. Peppermint. Peppermint tea or oil can help soothe the digestive tract and reduce cramping. 9. Blueberries. Consuming dried blueberries or blueberry tea can help reduce diarrhea due to their high fiber content. 10. Rest. Ensure you get plenty of rest to help your body recover and fight off any infection causing the diarrhea. If symptoms persist for more than a couple of days or are accompanied by severe pain, fever, or blood in the stool, it's important to seek medical attention.